Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing super well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I put in my clip-on extensions. Let's do this. So the first things first, the clip-on extensions, I'm going to grab one of them. So the clip-on extensions that I wear, they're called Luxy Hair, and to be honest, I didn't even buy them. Like, they're my sister's. Like, she used them for her wedding, and I always wanted to like try on and like wear hair extensions because I used to have really long hair. I cut it this past February. It's a process, it's growing, whatever, but I really like to have long hair in my like pictures or videos or content, whatever you want to call it. So I put on these bad boys. I don't even know the length of these. They are pretty long, but I will show you guys step by step of how I put them on. Okay, so before you even put them on, I have not washed my extensions, but I'm assuming you should wash your extensions and brush them out. So you really want to brush them out before you actually put them in your hair, because whenever you're like brushing your extensions while they're on your head, it's very uncomfortable and it can potentially like pull at your roots, which is not fun and or good for your hair, to be honest. So before you even put them in, brush the hair out. First things first, I'm gonna put my hair up into a half up, half down. I'm putting my sleeves up because I need, I don't know, I just feel like I have more concentration that way. So usually I put it like a half, what is it called? A middle part. But I'm gonna put it up into a half up, half down. Just a normal half up, half down. Now that we're looking a little crazy, I'm actually going to, so I have like this half of it down. What I usually like to do is even further, is I'm going to get a piece of the hair. Let me see if I can show you this in a better way. A piece of the hair like this. And I'm going to twist it and put it up. I really hope that you guys were able to see that. So here we have this much hair. I'm going to take it into another half, as we did before. Twist that and put it up. I need another bobby pin. So basically I used 3 bobby pins. And now that we have this like little measly piece of hair right here, I'm gonna take our extensions and make sure they're all open. So you're gonna want to put these clips into your hair. So you're gonna put these clips into your hair, like comb them in, and then close them. So I'm going to put this right, I'm gonna tuck this in right here. Guys, so I'm going to put this into like right here. Comb that in. And once it's combed, I'm going to clip them. And then the rest of it, I'm going to clip it right here. Clip. Right here. Clip. And that is your first strand. And again, like, I'm not perfect, but this is how I put in my clip-ons. And this is how the first strand looks like. And don't worry that like this is a little bit straight and your hair is like wavy. It's all gonna like come together, and like the waviness is actually gonna give more volume to your hair. So that's first piece done. And now I'm going to take down the other piece right here. Now that we have the other piece down, I'm gonna grab a piece and then show you, show you how I put it in again. And just to let you guys know, at least with my set, there are pieces that are like 3 clips, 4 clips, 2 clips, 1 clips even. So the ones you're gonna put on in the back especially, make sure that those are the longer pieces. So like the 3/4 clip pieces, make sure that you're gonna put those. Turn around and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna be putting it into my back. Okay, we have our strand, and I'm going to be putting it in right here. So the first strand right here, and you can kind of feel where the one at the bottom is. Clip, and your second piece is done. And honestly, you can put in as many or as little pieces that you want. I like to put in like the full set because I love like luscious, like thick hair. But if you already have thick hair and you just want more length, then that's fine too. It's really up to how many pieces that you want. And now I'm going to do the other pieces. Same situation, take out the bobby pin from behind. And now I have like a lot more hair here. So I'm going to take that into halves like we mentioned last time. I'm gonna half it, twist, and put up here. So now I'm going to put in the other piece of hair. I'm just gonna grab that. I want a 3-1 this time. Okay, so here's a 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm actually gonna save that for the very top, so I'm gonna take a 3. Oof. Okay, so here's a 3. Make sure that all of them are open. So I'll brush out. Nice. Oof. And I'm gonna be putting it in right here. The spot right here. Take your piece. Stick it in. And clip. Stick it in, clip. Stick it in and clip. Now our piece is done and it will not budge. So now this is what it currently looks like. Let me put all of it in front. So you can tell that like, even though our natural hair is wavy, it goes together with like the fake hair. So now I'm going to take out the half up, half down hair. This is what it currently looks like. Crazy, I know. But I'm going to work with it. Okay. So now that we put this half up, half down, I'm going to make a smaller version of that and put this into 2 parts. Ow. So now it should look like this. I'm actually going to use the 4-1, make sure they're all open, and then I'm going to put it in right here. Let me turn myself around so you guys can see what I'm doing. This is what my hair looks like. I'm going to put it in right here, like right here. I really hope that you guys can see it. I'm gonna put it in like right here. And this is what this piece looks like. And this is what it currently looks like. Looking good. And now I'm gonna take, we have some pieces that have like tubes in them. So I'm gonna put one here and one here because you still want some like front pieces to kind of mesh with the other pieces of your hair. Front clip. I don't actually like that because you can like really see it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this out and do a 1-1. That literally is just like one clip. I'm gonna put that like in the middle, like that. And then I'm gonna put one on the other side. I'm just gonna brush this out and put this like right here. Right there. And now I'm gonna take out, oh, the bobby pin first, duh. And flip that like this. Put that hair over the extension in the back. And now what I'm going to actually do is I want an extension like right here. Hold on. I want an extension like right here. So then it will mesh well with my natural hair. So I'm gonna grab one real quickly. And then I'm gonna stick that in right here. Look how like luscious and like big that looks. And then I'm gonna do the same thing, and it also gives you volume. So like look at this side versus this side. It looks more voluminous. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm going to pick up this piece of hair right here and put in an extension. Put it literally like right here. And put that over. And this is what the final hair looks like. So guys, there you have it. That is how I put on my clip-on extensions. I really hope that this helped. I genuinely do. I know that I was kind of all over the place. I don't really have like the best place to like do my videos, so just bear with me for the next few months as I like try to figure out the best place to do my videos. But this is how the hair turned out. I genuinely love this hair so much, and I put this, whenever you see my pictures / videos with long hair, this is what I'm wearing. That is all I have for you guys for today. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, definitely go check out my previous video that I just made about me reviewing the Dior Airbrush foundation. That's what I'm wearing today, and I genuinely love it. And there's some funny moments in that video. I think you guys are gonna really enjoy it. And if anything, like just play it and then like do the dishes, or like play it and like clean, or whatever you want to do. But I think it's a funny video to listen to / watch. So definitely check that video out. But that is the end of this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you guys either found this helpful or entertaining or whatever. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really helps my channel, and it really shows that you guys are liking the content that I'm putting out, and which genuinely makes me so happy. And it really shows me that you guys are liking my content that I'm putting out. So definitely do consider subscribing / liking this video. It really helps my small channel. But that is about it. Until next time.